Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. The reason being, it's called the notification bell, and YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and when you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. So make sure you press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you will be in the know. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. Also, while you're in that area, and for everyone that watches my videos, if you could take a minute, not even, it's a second, right underneath the video there's a thumbs up button. If you press it, there'll be a number that will change. It will hopefully go up and it will turn blue. That means that YouTube has calculated you in, and supposedly if there's enough thumbs up, they then will take my videos and put them in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Okay. Today is a day that we are going to be sharing, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a product that I got through the points program on IPSY. I've shared with you numerous times of how the points program works, so I'm just going to tell you very quickly. When you do reviews, you end up getting points, and those points add up to free products. So normally I'm always checking the shopper, but periodically I go into the points area because I'm very good at doing my reviews. And also, if any of you guys sign up for IPSY, in my links that are underneath in my description box, my links are all the way at the bottom because I always put the information that I want right away for you guys to know about the product I'm talking about. But if you ever want to check if I get discounts or get links, always check all the way to the bottom of my in the description box. That's where I put my links. Anyways, on IPSY, I think what they do is if you guys sign up using my IPSY link, they give us points, and that ends up in my points. But you should always share with us, whosever link you're using, that you share that you did use the link, because we never know that our points go up, and we never know who's the person that made those points go up. If we get an email, I know with BoxyCharm, I'll get an email saying, you know, you recommended somebody and we gave you points in your system. But I'm not sure if that's the same on IPSY. All I know is that the points might go up, and I don't know why. So if you do use anybody's points, it's always nice to leave a comment to say, so that they can take the time, at least I would, to say thank you for using the link, because that in turn gave me points, which in turn would give me free product. So anyways, what I ended up, and I go in it and I check it a lot. The points program in IPSY I find is one of the best points programs, because they usually have something within the points area that there's always, not always, there's some items that are in there periodically that are ones that I've been keeping my eye on, that they were hoping they were going to go in there. And sometimes your points do expire at IPSY, that I had no choice but to use the points on something. And I've always been happy with what I've chosen. So it's weird how, like, I'm holding on to them, but when I need to spend them, I spend them and I end up with something really fantastic. Anyways, today's video is about one that I got, and I had to spend 1,800 points for this. And it's ironic that it's 1,800 points because on Violet Voss's website alone, this is an $18 palette. I have seen it periodically in the shopper in a bunch of kits, which is fantastic, but I've also seen this alone in the shopper for $12, which is a really good price too. But $18 on its own, I think, is great. And if you enjoy Violet Voss as much as I do, and you are part of their email and things like that, I always tell you, don't just put your email on a website. Put your email on a website when it's something you're going to purchase from them, because they usually end up giving you some form of a discount or something for you putting your email in. So I have purchased off the Violet Voss website, so I do get emails from them periodically when they have sales and stuff. So that's, to me, really fantastic. Anyways, long story short, I have the huge palettes from Violet Voss, but I did get introduced to the fun size from IPSY, and I've gotten a few of them from them. I've gotten the Berry Burst, and I got the Holy Grail, which when I open these at the end, you will see this one travels with me all the time, and it looks well loved. So I really, really enjoy this product. So if you see Violet Voss and you see them in the fun size, they are fantastic. So I initially missed out on this one when it was at the $12, and it was ironic because a couple of you guys wrote to me, because you know how much I like Violet Voss, that it was in the shopper, and by the time I went, it was sold out. So the full smear is on the top here, and these are the gorgeous, gorgeous colors that are inside here. I will swatch them for you, but like I said, I think Violet Voss is absolutely fantastic. I think their formula is great, but these fun sizes to travel with are everything and more. So it's a mixture of mattes and shimmers. There are no names, so I'll just put them on my fingers and hold them up for you, and I'll show you. So this literally, also when you do anything with the points section, it doesn't show up on its own. It shows up in next month's boxes. So whatever you buy this month or use to redeem your points, it will show up in one of your boxes. You never know which one. And that's what I have here. So these are the 4 here. And ironically, this palette was in my box that got lost. So I'm hoping that when they are going to send me the new box that they're planning on replenishing for the missing box, that, you know, that maybe possibly I'll get a second one of these. And if I do, you know what I do with those, right? So keep your eyes open on my channel for that, and make sure that you're subscribed, because those extra bonuses go to people that have been supporting me. So that's everything that we have here. That's the entire palette. Is that not beyond stunning? And it's funny, I was like hemming and hawing and hemming and hawing. By the time I decided that I wanted to get it, it was already sold out on the shopper. So when it showed up in the points area and I had the points, I grabbed it. And like I said, this to me, I think I'm going to end up using a lot more than I thought I would, because the colors are the colors that I gravitate to all the time. So this is, to me, that perfect palette. So just to show you up close the other ones in case you're interested, this one is the berry one, and this one I've been enjoying a lot too. And let me just cover up the mirror, and you can see they're a little loved, but you'll see the other one that I've had for a long time. It's really loved. This is the berry one, and I think it is just beautiful. And I do have some videos that I've already done swatching and sharing all this with you guys. I'll see if I can find them, and I'll leave them linked down below. But if you ever want to look for any of my videos, you just go to the True Wants name that's in bold letters underneath the video. And if you press on that, it brings up a whole other window, and you will see on the top, there's a tab that says videos. You click on that, you'll see all the videos from the newest to the oldest. But if you want to look for something in particular, you just go to the search bar, and if you type in Violet Voss, any video that I've done on anything Violet Voss will show up in there. I always try to, in my titles, put what the product is. So if it's just BoxyCharm you're interested in, if you type in BoxyCharm in the search bar, it'll work the same way too. And this is the Holy Grail. And this was the large one, was the one I think was one of my first purchases. And I think they were over like $40 at that time. This was way before BoxyCharms and all these guys were giving us palettes. I paid full for that, and I fell in love with it, and I used it all the way. So when there was a fun size in the Holy Grail, I grabbed it because I wanted to be able to travel with it and use it all the time. And this was before the berry. This was before the cream. I think this was one of their first ones that they did. If I'm wrong, you can correct me down below. But as you can see, it's got the berries. It's got the standard colors in there. It's got a bit of what I think was in the Creme Brulee. So this to me, I think, is the mix of all of them. So if this is available, this one to me is by hands down the one that you should go with, because it's the Holy Grail. It's got all the colors, and you can see how well loved this is. And even though this is the one I take with me and everything, you can see they're kind of getting close to potentially be pan, but I don't think I've ever hit pan, because I have so many palettes and I like to switch up so much that it's very rare that that happens to me. So wanted to share that with you guys. So once again, this cost me the 1,800 points. This is the Violet Voss in Creme Brulee. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the back of it looks like. And this is what the back of this one looks like. So like I said, if you're not sure, always go on the website of the brand, which is Violet Voss. You can see all the ones that are available. You can see what the prices are. You could see the reviews and everything on them. And then, you know, if this is now something that IPSY is now partnering with them to get their products onto their sites, keep your eyes open, because these are definitely winners, and these are considered what they consider the fun size. Okay? As always, guys, you know how much I truly do appreciate that you guys choose any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. It means everything. But your comments are my lifeline to you. So please take the time to leave in the comments down below anything that you want to share with me. Like I said, that's how I communicate the best way with you guys. And I thank you all, because when I do giveaways, it means everything to me that if it's someone that I've been communicating with, and you guys have been really great on my channel doing that, that I'm able to, when we pull the name out and it's somebody that I've been communicating with, it's almost like giving a gift to a friend. So make sure you're subscribed, ring that bell, and then hopefully you will enter one of the giveaways that I do have in future videos. And then always check the description box, because if I have any giveaway going on, it will be linked there below so that you don't miss out. All right. Once again, everybody, during this time, I'm asking you to please stay safe and stay well, because without your health, all of this it's just not fun. So please take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye for now.